A chart tells you what happened, but comments are where your team can discuss why it happened. Data analysis is rarely a solo journey. It's a collaborative effort that thrives on shared knowledge and discussion. Our custom comments solve this by integrating the comment boxes directly into your reports and dashboards. They provide a space for you to enhance what data already tells with priceless explanations and details, providing a necessary context. This guide will show you how to add comments to build a richer, shared understanding of your data. To add comment boxes, click the ribbon button, Add Comment. In the menu, you will be able to add Whole Comment, a comment box with predefined number of numbers. By default, numbers in circles. Number only, just a numbered marker without comment box. Marking only, just the highlighting circle. After clicking Whole Comment, you will be asked how many comments you want to create. When you choose, XLBuddy will create pre-formatted comments, which you can then put on your report. You can define how many comment boxes and numbers should be created per each whole comment. By default, it is 1 box and 2 numbers, 1 to be placed near your comment box, 1 to be placed next to the data point. Selecting number only or marking only will create the selected elements without the comment box. Please note that XLBuddy will check how many numbers have been created already, and the newly created numbers will be automatically incremented for your convenience. In addition to creating the comments or markers, you can align your comments to the topmost one or the leftmost one. To do it, simply select your comments and click the specific button. You can modify the appearance of your comment boxes and markers in XLBuddy settings. There you can modify various settings to make sure that they look exactly as you want them to look. Comments add a crucial layer of human insight on top of the raw numbers. Data gives you information, but dialogue turns that information into action. We encourage you to use comments to share your insights.